Pagani Zonda over here, the YRBC Roadster. We got Mr. Horatio actually over there with everyone around.
From here?
Absolutely.
So come around over here. And we just got to make it quick.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Just let us know.
Okay.
Thank you so much. We managed to get the badge for Pagani right here, but absolutely beautiful, beautiful machinery. Pagani Zonda F, right over here, that I never ring.
Zig Ziglar said to me in a real estate seminar 20 years ago, the true art form of selling, where the art exists, doesn't begin until the seventh bell. Which means you just persevere, you just keep asking.
Absolutely.
So make the most of the opportunity
I
now that
will.
you're here.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. It's on the Roadster F. Beautiful machinery right here. It's on the R, right over there. Pagani Barra Cinque Roadster. All in beautiful carbon red and everything. Hey, yes. Lamborghini ears on Mr. Horatio right over there. How it all started from this. The engine, to the food, to the beautiful cars. So, getting to this right now with all the people around me, with the YRBC, as for the Pagani Zonda right here. Right over there, beautiful, real homage to the very beautiful cars right there. I have no idea what I'm saying, but I'm just making believe that so they don't kick me out. But beautiful car. Look at the machinery. Look at the work over here. Beautiful car. Beautiful. From the wing, from everything, from the windshield, from how you open this, how from the side skirts on, from this even leather right over here. Beautiful machinery, perfecto. The wing, look at that. Just look at that back. I want to thank Pagani for letting me actually do this, for selling their Zonda 300 anniversario Zonda. I think that's Mr. Pagani's wife. Every single detail, extra nut and bolt has Pagani all over it. If I could, yeah, but everything over here says Pagani on it. Everything. They got the helmets out. All the helmets. Back to the barricade. Back to everything else. Love that. I don't know if you guys could hear me or not. Everything from the Italian flag and everything like that. See, Rosa Verde. Flag. Usually have like little lights over there. It's pretty nice. What about Pirelli? Tu italiano?
Italiano, sì.
Ci sono tunisino. Io non parlo poco di italiano. Prego.
Parli inglese?
Parlo inglese e francese. Grazie.
Vuoi che vi apro anche qua?
If it doesn't bother you, yeah. Thank you. So yeah, we're going to see the first Pagani Zonda ever with the Modena design. Special thanks to Pagani again for letting me do this. Magnifico. Grazie. Look at the attention to detail and all of this. The V12 Mercedes engine. Pagani. First ever creations, first ever pieces of art. Beautiful. I don't want to mess anything up, but look at this. Look at all the detail. Look at all the carbon. Beautiful. Look at that even small light. How nice, how beautiful. This thing, I always wanted to know what that was. Opa. Kind of hit it by accident, hope no one kills me. But everything from details from, look at the sunroof. Special access to Pagani right here. Look at even this on the inside. Small little details. Back in the day, what year is this? Right. The passenger side. Also, this is where we put all the storage room or everything. Look at the passenger. You imagine you're a passenger in the Pagani. This is what you see. It smells so good. So good as well. Whale. Hawaii BC. Look at door open, door closed. This is how nice the detail is. Look at that. Best thing about it. Leather, very beautiful. Over there. Good tire. Look at the size of the tire. Crazy. RGC.